In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lookalike audience on Facebook ads. This powerful tool allows you to reach new potential customers who are similar to your existing audience, helping to expand your business reach effectively. Let's dive into the process, and in just a few minutes, you'll be able to do this on your own. To start, you need to navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. Simply go to your preferred search engine and type Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're there, you should see an option that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on that link to proceed. Next, you'll need to log into your Facebook account, so enter your email and password. This step is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the right advertising account linked to your existing campaigns. You'll see a login button to click after entering your credentials, and this will direct you to your Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll be able to see the various options available to manage your ads and view campaigns. Now, look for the Campaigns tab and make your way over to the Audiences section. Clicking on Audiences will take you to a page dedicated entirely to audience management, a crucial area for maximizing the efficiency and reach of your ads. Here, you're going to click on Create a Lookalike Audience. It's a fairly straightforward option and usually located prominently within the audience tools. The next step is selecting your source audience. This is essentially the group of people you already know who represent the type of consumers you want to reach more broadly. You can choose this audience based on data from existing Facebook Pixel audiences, fans of your page, or purchasing profiles from your database. In some cases, Facebook will also ask you to select an event with a specific value. This means defining an action that's meaningful for your business, like a purchase or sign-up event, to underpin the new lookalike audience's behavior model. Adjusting your audience size is another key step. Facebook allows you to scale this from 1% to 10%, with 1% being the closest match in similarity. You might want to start small and then expand as you see fit, based on your campaign's performance and goals. After that, it's time to select your audience's location. This step ensures your ads reach the right regions, perfect for when you're targeting local markets or looking to expand into new areas. Finally, with all the settings adjusted to match your needs, hit the Create Audience button to conclude the process. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've created a lookalike audience on Facebook ads, ready to broaden your reach and increase your ads' performance. Don't forget to monitor the results and refine your audience as needed to make the most of this powerful tool.